In today's video, we're going to be discussing 7 proven ways to make your first $100,000 online. Whether you're just starting out or you're looking for new opportunities, these methods will give you a head start on building financial freedom. So, let's get started. 1. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to make money online. You can promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. 2. Online courses and coaching. Share your knowledge and skills by creating and selling online courses or offering coaching services. This can be a great way to generate passive income while helping others achieve their goals. 3. E-commerce. E-commerce allows you to sell physical or digital products directly to customers. With platforms like Shopify and Amazon, it's easier than ever to start an online store and reach a global audience. 4. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a form of e-commerce where you don't keep any inventory. Instead, you partner with a supplier who ships products directly to your customers. This can be a low-risk and low-cost way to get started with online business. 5. Digital products. Create and sell digital products like ebooks, software, or online tools. This can be a scalable way to earn passive income as your customer base grows. 6. Influencer marketing. If you have a large social media following, you can leverage it to earn money through sponsored posts or product promotions. 7. Investing. Finally, investing is a great way to grow your wealth over time. Whether it's in stocks, real estate, or cryptocurrency, investing can help you reach your financial goals faster. Remember, success takes time and effort, but with hard work and determination, you can achieve financial freedom and live the life you want. Thank you for watching.